It's 6 a.m. August 1, Saturday. The world is still asleep. And me and my husband is heading out for my very first motorcycle breakfast meetup. But before the coffee, I have to chase the sun across the highway. So let's go, put this visor down, get ready for the highway and have fun. Before we get on the highway, let me show you our route and where is it in relation to Dallas and Fort Worth. So we are going to Awake Breakfast and Lunch Restaurant in Carrollton. We'll be taking Highway I-20 and merge to Highway 161, or also known as George Bush Turnpike. I will also show the three major interchanges along this highway. It's really nice. I really feel like it's a marvelous engineering. It's about 4 to 5 levels of different bridges that helps you merge from one highway to the other. So this restaurant that we're going to is like north of Dallas, and this highway that we're taking, it's between Dallas and Fort Worth. So let's begin our journey. We're here merging to I-20. Please pay attention to the two huge US flag and Texas flag. That's really telling us it's windy. Remember, when we merge, we look, we double check before we merge. It's early morning, so it's easy to merge. We're close to the I-20 and 161 interchange. And the Ryker is actually doing pretty good going up on this bridge. It's really windy and I can feel it pushing me. The Ryker's engine sounds normal. I did not hear anything like it's having a hard time getting up on this bridge. Here's my chance to pass the track. Not bad, I did it. We're still on Highway 161. Now, people will tell you there is no scenic view here. But I disagree. Look at this interchange. These 4 to 5 levels of bridge are like concrete mountains. I've always been fascinated by the engineering of these things. Looks like someone's having fun. On second level of this interchange, 161 and 183. Still windy. When I see this sunrise, I was like, wow, that's a beautiful sunrise. I hope the Insta360 is capturing the vibrant colors. Which one do you like better? The sunrise or the sunset? I definitely need to improve my hand and wrist position. I heard there are 25 motorcycles here. total of 42 miles, top speed of 73.5 miles per hour. See you at the breakfast area. After the highway ride, the wind, the massive bridges, and the beautiful sunrise, it's breakfast time. Food and service here is great. This gathering is organized by Cruzman and Robert White. That's it for today's ride. Every mile is a lesson and I'm loving the journey. If you're learning to ride or just enjoying the open road, hit the subscribe button and ride along with me. See you next time. Ride safe.